Tonight for dinner we're having cod, and what I have done is that I have toasted some breadcrumbs in butter. I've added salt, pepper, no garlic, just a tiny bit of paprika for the color. And what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to bake the cod. So I'm going to cover a pan with foil and going to lay the cod out on it, season the cod, and then sprinkle it with the breadcrumbs, and then I'm going to add it to my 450-degree oven. It should be ready like that. We're going to serve it with a salad, and you know what? Dinner's going to be ready in just a little while. Stay with me. All right, I've got my foil here. My pan is ready, and I'm going to actually put it into my cast iron pan. I'm just going to sit it right into it. And this isn't hot. This is just a regular cast iron pan. Let me open the fish. Yeah. Make sure I had the right package. Not from Kroger. Now this was a pretty large piece. I wasn't expecting it to be quite the size that it was, and so I may actually not need to use all of it. And let me get my knife. I think I'm going to make, that's probably a good enough size right there. Actually, it's probably larger than it really needs to be, but since I'm going to put it on the pan, I think I'll put it in little smaller pieces like that. And I'm going to cut this. There we go. So, I'm going to put those away. I'm going to sprinkle with salt, pepper, and wash my hands. Okay, we're going to season it. Something. Okay, I got a little salt. Because fish does not come seasoned. Okay, I need to refill that one. I have some pepper. Now, I'm going to turn those over. I'm going to, when I put it into the pan, the skin side is going to be down, but I do want to season both sides of the fish. Okay, let me get a little more salt. Sprinkle with a little kosher. Use another hand that hadn't touched the fish. Okay, there we go. All right, I'm going to turn all this over, but I'm going to turn it over and we'll put it directly on the foil. So, now on the foil. Get it sort of all fit in the pan. There we go. Now, I'm going to make sure all the seasoning is in there. And I'm going to add the breadcrumbs. I'm going to put about a spoon, that's how I'm going to start, about a spoon of breadcrumbs on each one. And I don't want to save these, so if I have extra, I will pile them. Now remember, I made my breadcrumbs with butter and bread. It was actually just leftover bread that I had. Nothing that I bought. Use up what you have in your kitchen first, and then go from there. Gonna mash it down so it'll stay in place. Don't want crumbs flying. And you want them to actually stay on the fish. One more little spoonful, I think. Let's see. Get everything out of the skillet. Okay, skillet's done and in the sink, ready to be cleaned, while this is in our 400-degree oven. Now, by the time this comes out, shouldn't take it over about 8 to 10 minutes. And once it comes out, voila, dinner will be ready. We've got the salads already made. And there we go. We have our codfish with our breadcrumb topping. And when I bring it out, I'm going to sprinkle with a little parsley and some lemon juice. We're ready to go. Plates are here, and they are waiting patiently for the fish. I'm about to take it out of the oven and put it on the plate. So, let's get going here. Oh man, how pretty. You get a mat. Everything's hot. Bubbling. See if I can get you around here so you can see. Here we go. Is that not pretty? Okay, so let's get this on the plates. Get this codfish on our plates. All right. I'm going to add a little more light to the subject. See what I can do. Okay. Are you ready? Let's put it in. Okay. You'll see that the topping is nice and brown. Hope you can see that. And that's going to go on each of the plates. There's enough for each person to have 2 pieces. I think I'll bring the plate to this one so I don't lose it. It's nice and flaky. It's nice and moist. Okay, and the little crummy pieces, we're going to put those on there too. There we go. Lots of butter and lots of crumbs. There we go. Add that in. So voila, we have a beautiful plate tonight for dinner. So guess what? Dinner is served. I hope you and your family have a wonderful time tonight around your table.